Hello my fellow tubers, Beach Troll here. I just got done washing my Chrysler Town & Country, and as I was going through the process I thought, why not try an unscientific test? I have RainX. It's a 2-in-1 cleaner plus rain repellent, and it's supposed to enhance driving visibility. And I'm going to use just a generic window cleaner on my windshield. I'm going to do the driver's side with the RainX and the passenger side with the generic window cleaner. It says that it cleans windshields, so we'll see if there's any difference. I'll update it weekly throughout the week, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so on the driver's side, I'm going to use the RainX 2-in-1 glass cleaner plus rain repellent. Just spray it on and use a paper towel and just wipe it down. And then after you wipe it down, you get a clean, dry piece of toweling, and then just buff it out. Okay, now I have my dry paper towel, and I'm just going to wipe off the excess of the RainX. And now we'll go to the other side and spray the generic window cleaner. Okay, now I have the generic window cleaner. I'm going to spray down the passenger side of the windshield and do the same thing. Just take a paper towel, wipe it down thoroughly, and I'll take another dry piece of toweling and buff it out. Okay, here's my dry toweling. Just gonna buff it out a little bit. Okay, like I said, I'll update it every couple of days, and after about a week to 10 days we'll see which one worked the best. Have a great day. This is the driver's side where the RainX is applied, and this is the passenger side where the generic window cleaner was applied. Hey, today's day one full day after applying RainX to the driver's side and a generic window cleaner to the passenger side of the windshield. There's really no difference noticeable right now. Tomorrow in my neck of the woods we're supposed to get rain, so we'll see how that goes. I will keep you updated. Today is day 2. The side with the RainX, you know, it's still relatively clear. It's overcast here today, really no rain. This is the side with the generic window cleaner on the passenger side, and they both look fairly similar. The forecast is calling for a little bit of rain tomorrow, so I'll videotape that and see what the comparison is. Today's day 3, and there's no change. Driver's side with the RainX looks pretty much the same as the passenger side with the generic window cleaner. I still haven't gotten any rain. to get a very good comparison. So hopefully, not that I'm wishing for rain, but hopefully within the next day or two we'll get some. Okay, this is day 4. This is the RainX side, and this is the generic window cleaner side. You can see on the window cleaner side that there are some dead bugs on the windshield and just some overall dirt, whereas on the RainX side I only see one dead bug sticking to the windshield and it's relatively clean. I haven't gotten any rain, but I will keep you updated. Just to give you a nighttime perspective, this is still day 4, or I should say night 4. The RainX side on the driver's side is still relatively clear. I have good vision, and when you move over to the passenger side, it's kind of hard to see now because it's dark, there's no lights on the road, but the passenger side where the window cleaner is, I noticed when light was hitting it that there's a lot of smudges and dots on the windshield. I don't know if you can pick that up, but so far I definitely say the RainX side is winning. I haven't used the wipers at all in the 4 days since I put them on, and I still have a clear vision of the road. Day 5, still pretty much the same, no rain, it's just overcast. I was hoping to get at least 1 day of rain in here. Driver's side with the RainX still looks the best. There's a couple of smudges here and there, but not as bad as the passenger side. There's a lot of smudges on that side with the glass cleaner. So definitely RainX is winning out. I'm going to give it 1 more day and see if it rains. Hey, this is day 6. Finally got a little bit of rain. RainX side, you can see the beading is a lot tighter than the window cleaner side. Just to wrap this up, I would definitely have to say that the RainX has won out. There's less dirt on the windshield. It's a clearer view of the road than the window cleaner. The window cleaner side has like a film of dirt on it. The RainX side does not. So RainX, you win. I'd like to thank all my subscribers, all 9 of you. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if there's something that you use on your windshield that works better. Let everybody know. And thanks for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider subscribing. I'm going to try putting out a video every week. Thanks. See you on the next video.